Ever wondered how you can build a secure financial future without getting overwhelmed? Well, you're not alone. The topic of financial security is a big one. It's about creating a stable and robust financial foundation that can weather any storm. It's about building a worry-free future where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without the constant stress of financial instability. It may sound daunting, but don't worry. Stay tuned as we break down the process into clear, manageable steps. The first step to financial security is understanding your current financial situation. Imagine you're on a journey. You've got your destination in mind, but you're not exactly sure about your starting point. Sounds tricky, right? That's precisely how the journey to financial security begins. You need to pinpoint where you are financially before you can chart your course to where you want to be. So let's start with the basics. How much money do you make? And I mean the total amount, not just your salary. Include any side hustles, passive income streams, or other sources. This total sum is your income. Now let's take a look at your expenses. They can be sneaky, those little things. A coffee here, a subscription there, it all adds up. So make a list of all your monthly expenses. Don't leave anything out. This includes your rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, transportation costs, and yes, even those little indulgences. But what about your debts? That's right, we're going there. These are your loans, credit card balances, and any other money you owe. It's not the most pleasant thing to think about, but it's crucial. Remember, we're mapping our financial landscape, and debts are significant landmarks that we can't ignore. Lastly, let's talk about savings. If you're saying, what savings? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us are in the same boat. But remember, no matter how small, every bit counts. So whether it's a few dollars in a piggy bank or a more substantial amount in a savings account, it's important to know where you stand. Now take a step back and look at the big picture. What do you see? You've just created a snapshot of your financial situation. It might not be a pretty picture, but that's okay. This isn't about judging where you are, it's about understanding it. When you become aware of where your money is going, you can start to make changes. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial situation, you're ready to take the next step on your journey to financial security. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to set some financial goals. So, why are financial goals important? They provide a roadmap to financial success. Just as you wouldn't embark on a cross-country road trip without a map, you shouldn't navigate your financial life without a clear set of goals. Let's break these goals down into 3 categories: short-term, mid-term, and long-term. Short-term financial goals are ones you aim to achieve within the next 1 to 2 years. These might include saving for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or building an emergency fund. These goals are essential stepping stones to larger, more ambitious goals. Then, we have mid-term goals. These are financial objectives you aim to reach within 2 to 5 years. Perhaps you're looking to buy a car, or make a down payment on a house. Maybe you want to pay off your student loans or save up for a significant home renovation. Mid-term goals are a bridge between your short-term accomplishments and your long-term aspirations. Long-term financial goals, on the other hand, are the ones you aim to achieve in 5 years or more. These could include saving for retirement, funding your children's education, or paying off your mortgage. These goals require time and consistent effort, but they contribute to your overall financial stability and security. Now, while it's great to aim high, it's crucial to keep your goals realistic and achievable. There's no point in setting a goal to save $1 million in a year if your income doesn't support that ambition. Your goals should challenge you, but they should also be within your reach. Also, remember to make your goals specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $3,000 for a vacation. The more specific your goals, the easier it will be to track your progress and stay motivated. Remember, setting financial goals gives you a clear path to follow. It's like having a financial GPS guiding you to your desired destination. Without it, you're simply wandering, hoping to stumble upon financial success. But with clear, achievable financial goals, you're well on your way to building a secure, happy, and healthy financial future. With your goals in mind, you can now create a budget. A budget, my friends, is more than just a ledger of income and expenses. It's actually a powerful tool, a financial compass that can guide you towards your financial goals. It's a blueprint for your money, a plan that helps you allocate your resources in a way that serves your best interests. Now, the first step in creating your budget is to allocate money for necessities. These are the things you cannot live without, like food, shelter, and healthcare. Typically, about 50% of your income should go towards these essentials. Next up is savings. Remember those financial goals you set? Well, your savings is where you put aside money to reach those goals. Whether it's for a down payment on a house, your child's education, or that dream vacation, your savings are your ticket to the future you envision. Ideally, about 20% of your income should be funneled into your savings. And finally, we have discretionary spending. This is the fun part of your budget. It's the money you have left to spend on things that bring you joy, like dining out, hobbies, or entertainment. However, it's also the part of your budget that requires the most discipline. Remember, just because you have money allocated for fun doesn't mean you should spend it all. If you can save a bit here and there, it can add up over time. This portion should account for roughly 30% of your income. Now, creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it, well, that's a whole different ballgame. It takes discipline, consistency, and a lot of self-control. There will be temptations, unexpected expenses, and maybe even a bit of FOMO. But remember, your budget is your financial compass, guiding you towards your goals. So keep your eyes on the prize, be consistent, and most importantly, be disciplined. With time, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor, inching closer and closer to your financial goals. Sticking to a budget is a crucial step in building financial security. Now that you have a budget, let's talk about saving and investing. Imagine two paths ahead of you. One is well-trodden and easy, leading to a comfortable but limited future. The other is a bit more challenging, with potential for great rewards. The first path represents saving, a necessary step for financial stability. The second path symbolizes investing, a venture that carries risks but can significantly increase your wealth over time. Let's start with savings. Savings accounts are like safe havens for your money. They offer modest interest rates, but the real advantage is that your capital is secure. There are many types of savings accounts, including regular savings, high-yield savings, and money market accounts. Regular savings accounts are easily accessible and great for short-term goals. High-yield savings accounts, on the other hand, offer higher interest rates. Money market accounts combine the benefits of both, offering higher interest rates and check-writing privileges. Now let's venture onto the second path, investing. Unlike saving, investing involves putting your money into assets that can potentially yield a higher return. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate. These are all forms of investments. Investing in stocks means buying a share of a company with the hope that the company's value will increase. Bonds are loans you give to companies or the government in exchange for interest payments. Mutual funds are a mix of stocks and bonds managed by professionals. And real estate, well, that's buying property hoping its value will appreciate over time. One crucial thing to remember about investing is the concept of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes along. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. However, investing is not without risks. It's important to have a diversified portfolio to spread out these risks. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Remember, saving and investing are key to building wealth over time. Don't be afraid to take the more challenging path. Your future self will thank you for it. So, you've learned about understanding your financial situation, setting goals, budgeting, and saving and investing. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered in this journey of securing our financial future. Firstly, we unraveled the importance of comprehending our financial situation. That's the bedrock of our financial journey. We need to know where we stand to plot a course to where we want to be. Then, we moved on to setting financial goals. These are the lighthouses guiding our financial ship, helping us navigate through the turbulent waters of financial uncertainty. With clear, actionable goals, we can make sure our money is working for us, not the other way around. Next, we dived into the world of budgeting. A well-crafted budget is more than just a ledger of income and expenses. It's a roadmap, a tool that helps us make informed decisions about our money. And finally, we explored the realms of saving and investing. Putting aside a portion of our income and investing wisely can help us grow our wealth, cushioning us against life's unexpected expenses and ensuring we are prepared for the future. So don't wait another minute. Start your financial journey today. Understand your situation, set your goals, create your budget, and start saving and investing. Remember, the journey to financial security is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today and build a financially secure future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to creating a stable and robust financial foundation. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.